very happy birthday to you. This is a special birthday as you realize there's somebody beside you now who wasn't there before. May I wish you every birthday that follows to be happier than the previous one. And the birthdays which will bring you success, happiness and joy. God be with you. All the best on your birthday. Bas.
Happy birthday, Rahul. Have a great day and a great year ahead. Wish you all happiness and success.
Hey Rahul, I don't even know if I'm being recorded right now. I have to learn so much technology to try and wish you a very happy birthday. And let me first check if this is being recorded, okay? Otherwise, I'm going to be talking into the camera like a stupid person and not even know if it's being recorded. So just hold on and I'll come back to you. Okay, so it is being recorded and I did try and I did figure it out. So thank you Pooja for making me do this. Thank you Shweta for making me do this. And now to wish the birthday boy a very happy birthday, and from one of the cutest little babies to a handsome young man. What a lovely journey this has been, and this is your first married birthday, so I'm sure it's going to be extra special since both of you are going to be celebrating it. So lots and lots of love and lots of blessings from all of us, and continue to be the lovely, charming young man that you are. With lots of love from all of us, beta. Bye.
Hi Rahul, wish you a very happy birthday. Love you so much. I know that I love you, but on this very special day, I just feel the need to say it to you in so many words. Love you so much that you can't even imagine. You're God's most beautiful blessing to us, and we cherish you and love you, and you are our greatest happiness. Wish you all the best for your future, my baby, and I just hope that the future only brings smiles and cheer and joy into your life, and with somebody as wonderful as Shweta in your life, I'm sure that's going to happen. I'm sure your journey is going to be absolutely awesome. That's my prayer for you, and I pray to God to always keep you safe and happy and protect you from any harm. Lots and lots of happiness and lots of love.
Hi Rahul, welcome to another milestone. You reached another milestone, that is 30. Today if I look back to the last 30 years and the way you have grown up and you have matured into a gentleman and seen lots of ups and downs in your in that process. And today I feel very proud and happy that you are settled down in a good job and you are married and you are very happy with your married life. And I pray and I wish that you keep on working very hard and do well in your job, and because it is a must that you must concentrate on building up your career. At the same time, your house is also very important, and you have settled down very well. And I wish that with Shweta you have a very prosperous and long married life. Love. Wish you all love with our wishes.
Hi Rahul, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope all your dreams, all your wishes come true. Why are you laughing? Yeah. Okay.
Hi Rahul, how are you? Wish you a very happy birthday, and whatever you have wished for, whatever you have dreamed for, may all your wishes, all your dreams be realized very soon. All the best.
Hey birthday boy, wish you a very happy birthday, and I hope this year brings with it a lot of love, happiness and many memorable experiences for you. And I know I don't say this very often, and so I'm going to take this chance to tell you that I love you dearly. And I think I'm very lucky to have a brother like you who's so supportive, understanding, and considerate. So I couldn't have asked for a better brother. And thank you for understanding me, and thank you for all the times that you have been there. I pray and wish from the bottom of my heart that you and Shweta have the most awesome and rocking married life ever. And I hope you guys continue to find even greater happiness as you go along. So once again, happy birthday to you. Hope you have an awesome, amazing day. And I love you. Mwah.
Okay, Shan, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Rahul. Happy birthday, Rahul. Happy birthday, dear Rahul. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Happy birthday, man.
Happy birthday.
Hi Motu, happy birthday. Today, I don't know, suddenly I'm running short of words. I go back a long way with you, which is precisely 11 years. We've got to know each other pretty much in all our ups and downs, and I'm happy and proud to say that we're still by each other's side, and thanks to our spouses, Inshallah, may we always be by each other's side. I just want to say that I adore you, we both adore you and Shweta, and may this friendship between the four of us go the longest way. Thank you.
Hi Balu. I wish I was there for the birthday celebrations, but just to share that the reason I'm not there is because I'm going to be busy with Sangeet, Mohit Sangeet, so you can't be angry with me. And it's pretty uncanny that I'm here doing Sangeet performance and it's a birthday there. That's where our journey begins from. And I miss those times, and I miss the times that you used to miss me more and think of me more. But never mind, it's a birthday, I'm not going to complain. I love you a lot. May God bless you. Have lots of fun, and this chick that you've just married is awesome. I love her. She's super cute. So hold on to her, have lots of fun with everyone, miss me a lot. And before you have all the celebration, just one last thing.
I've decided what to say. Happy birthday, call us for drinks, man. It's over to you. That's something else.
Okay, ready? No, wait, what do you say? Just finish it off.
Just say anything.
Dhawan, here's wishing you a happy
Are you
birthday.
recording?
Ah, chal, bol.
Are you recording? Can you tell? Is there no red light?
No.
No,
Damn
right.
it.
What's the red light? Okay.
No, I mean like on your phone.
Okay, and that is not what we got you here.
What? What am I doing?
Look at this damaging issues.
Please, it started with who tore it, not me.
Dhawan.
Okay.
Oh, Dhawan, yeah. Okay. Happy birthday, man. Have a good year. Your life has just begun now that you're married. You have 30 more years of
Fun.
Good sex.
Yeah. Good sex.
And good sex. No. Take one and...
Rahul, happy birthday. You're turning 30. You're getting old.
You've turned 30.
You're turned 30.
Anyway, the age
we'll be seeing this after like 4 days, so you would have turned 30. So you're getting old, dude. Keep on drinking and keep on having fun. Happy birthday.
Hi, Dhawan. Happy birthday. Man, call us for drinks. It's long overdue. Remember, I had carried all the bottles on my lap when we were shifting. That's it.
I think this is the most honest.
I don't know what brought us together. The first issue that we tried solving together. The first joke that we shared. The first argument that we had. Or something that we agreed on. It could have been the not so hot girl in the corner of the class that sat with the not so cool guys. Or it could have been the hot one at a party that neither of us succeeded with. It could have been the not so nerdy projects we spent zillions of hours and days on, where we fought without realizing that we only helped each other grow. I'm not sure whether it were those long hours where you tried to teach me, while I tried my best to convince you to eat and take a walk in the park, and in the end, we both enjoyed and celebrated that with a smoke. I don't care if I can't find the reason, because whatever it was, it brought us wonderful moments and memories to live on. You and I drank beer and then found a reason to celebrate, and didn't care what happened in the world. We talked and laughed and made merry, without failing to share each other's sorrows. We drove, we ate, we laughed, we cried, we yelled, we stared, we leched, we bitched, we drank, we smoked, we mocked, and we sang from Dylan to Adams and Kishore Da to Atif. And today when I look back, all I can say is, Kash, ye pal kabhi na jaye. So here's wishing you a very, very happy birthday.
Hey Rahul, wish you a very, very happy birthday and a great new year ahead. Hopefully I'll see you in Shweta soon. Take care. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the annual Rahulopedia, the one-stop shop for everything Rahul. Ladies, today I'm going to test your RK Rahul knowledge. Ladies, are you ready?
Yes.
Hands on the buzzer. Alright, the buzzer's working. The first question. Ladies, which Rahul has an IQ of 86?
I know it's Rahul Gandhi.
Rahul Gandhi is indeed the right answer. Very, very well done. Scores 1-0. Next question. Which Rahul has the biggest nose in the world?
I know.
Miss Ruchi.
Rahul Roy.
Rahul Roy is indeed the right answer. Very well done. Very, very well done. We have tied scores now. Third question. Which Rahul has suffered pyar ke the side effects?
It's Rahul Bose.
Rahul Bose is the right answer, of course. Very, very well done, Miss Soumya. We now have a 2-1 lead.
Yes, carry on.
Fourth question. Which Rahul is also called Mr. Dependable?
Rahul Dravid.
Rahul Dravid is indeed the right answer. We have tight scores, and now the final question. Which Rahul romanced both Madhuri and Karishma in the same movie?
I know! It's Rahul! Naam to suna hoga!
Of course! It is Rahul! Naam to suna hoga from the movie Dil To Pagal Hai! He's very, very well done. Very, very well done. I see we're all tied up. But of course...
There's only one Rahul who has an IQ greater than 86.
Yeah, it's 87. Just kidding. Has the second biggest nose in the world.
Ooh. Has romanced many Madhuris and Karishmas.
Ooh. Has suffered pyar ke side effect. He's still suffering.
But still is Mr. Dependable.
Ah, that's sweet.
Happy birthday, Rahul.
Wish we were there with you.
All the best. Have a great year ahead.